All right, let's talk about something huge that's happening right now in software development. It's called AI refactoring. And honestly, it's a revolution that's about to solve one of the biggest headaches in the entire tech industry.
I mean, you know the feeling, right? If you've ever worked for a big company, you've dealt with those ancient, clunky systems. They're absolutely critical, but you can't stand them and you can't get rid of them. But what if that wasn't true anymore? What if you could actually break free?
And let's be real about the pain here. We're talking about the day-to-day grind, costs that just keep climbing. Trying to launch a new feature feels like swimming through concrete. You're completely stuck with a single vendor, and the whole thing depends on like two people who know how it all works. This is the mess that AI refactoring, which is really just restructuring old code without changing what it does, is here to fix.
So, what's the big deal with AI? Well, it all comes down to one thing: speed. Unbelievable speed. Before, trying to modernize a system was this massive project. We're talking years of work, with everything else grinding to a halt. With AI, that timeline just gets completely shattered. We're now talking about projects that take months, not years.
And look, this isn't just about doing things faster. It fundamentally changes the entire game. The velocity that AI gives us means projects that were total non-starters before are suddenly possible. It's a brand new ballgame, for sure. And you better believe the market demand for this is just exploding right now. So great, problem solved, right? We just go faster and everything's better. But, and this is a huge but, this incredible new speed actually creates a whole new set of deeper, way more complicated problems that nobody was expecting. Going this fast isn't as simple as it sounds. So what are these hidden traps that, frankly, very few people are even aware of yet? First up, the environment. To move this fast, you absolutely need a perfect copy of your live system to test on. And guess what? Almost nobody has one. Second, expertise. This isn't a job for your average developer. It takes a very rare, elite kind of talent. And third, and maybe most important, the people. You're not just changing code here, you're changing how people have worked for years, and that creates a ton of resistance. And that leads us to the most critical point of all. We've all been looking at this the wrong way. While everyone's amazed by the cool AI tech, the things that will actually make these projects fail have nothing to do with the code. The real problem isn't technical at all. We need a totally new definition. AI refactoring isn't just some technical job you hand off to the IT department. It's a massive, strategic, organizational transformation. The technology is just the thing that makes it all possible. I mean, just look at this. This is what it takes to actually succeed. The expert technical part, the AI magic, that's only 10% of the work. 10. The other 90%, the real heavy lifting, is all about managing change, brilliant project management, and high-level strategy. You have to bring the full palette of resources to the table. So here's the bottom line. It's really this simple. If you want to succeed with AI refactoring, you have to treat it like a major strategic business initiative. The companies that get this right will win. The ones who see it as just another IT project are going to fail.
And that really leaves us with one final thought. The technology is here. The market demand is off the charts. The potential is absolutely immense. But to actually make it work, you have to think differently. So the real question is for you. Is your organization prepared to manage this revolution for what it truly is? A strategic transformation.